Hey guys, Jim here, coming back to you tonight with another video. I got a 2014 Bowman Draft hobby box, 24 cards, 24 packs per box, 7 cards per pack. There's one prospect autograph in every box. I got this box actually from Collectaholic, fellow YouTuber. He had picked up a case, and he offered some of these boxes to some of his subscribers at a discounted price, and I was lucky enough to get one. And he was also gracious enough to send along this little pack of Panini. I'm not too familiar with these. I'm not sure where these are from, but it's a Chris Bryant rookie card on the front, and Karl Anthony Towns on the back. So that was pretty cool. Very nice of him. I thank him for that. I'm going to get right into this box. I'm going to get it open. So, 2014 Bowman Draft. We're looking for in here, we would like to find Aaron Nola, Trey Turner, Michael Chaves, Michael Kopech, Luke Weaver, Michael Conforto, Kyle Schwarber, Alex Verdugo, Bryce Hoskins, Rafael Devers, and I believe Matt Chapman. So let's see what happens. Anyway, I'm sure most of you guys already know Collectaholic. He's a nice guy, always very supportive. I see him not just supporting me, but he supports everyone, really. I see him leaving comments for a lot of guys. Here we go, Nick Williams, something right here. What's this? Carlos Correa. That's a nice cracked dice. I'm not sure what they call that. Carlos Correa, I didn't even mention him, didn't even realize he was in there, but cool. That's a good one right off the bat. Here's Michael Getty's first Bowman Chrome. Jose Barrios, that's another good one. Jack Flaherty, not bad. Alright, I'm going to try and a lot of packs here, so I want to move it along pretty good. I don't really like to make long videos, but this one will probably be a little longer than my usual. Matt Bailey, first Bowman. Here's a blue Bradley Zimmer. That's nice. Number 228 out of 399. Cool. Austin Meadows. Nice. There's Matt Chapman. Doing pretty good out of the first 2 packs. Hopefully the luck keeps up here. I definitely would like to get a couple of cards from my man Rafael Devers. I've been grabbing up his cards left and right. He's having an awesome year. He's batting .327. He's got like 90 something RBI, 20 plus home runs. I just bought a bunch of his cards today. I'm trying to get all his rookie cards. Here's another one, Derek Hill. It's a nice looking card. That one's numbered 103 out of 150. Sweet. Connor Joe, Michael Lorenzen. Okay, keep going here. I'm actually going to take these all out. Help this move along a little bit. Oop, almost knocked Carl over. Don't want to do that. Yeah. Sorry about that. Do a little housekeeping here. All right. Moving along. So yeah, I don't have too many of these cards because I wasn't ripping packs back in, or even picking up packs back in 2014, and just got back into collecting in January. So I don't have really any of these cards. I do have some Devers, obviously, as I just stated. I've been grabbing up all his cards, but I've got the regular Bowman draft base, and I also have the chrome of him, Jordan Foley. And this is Alex Jackson and Michael Conforto. That's cool. It was different. Okay. So anyway, like I was saying, Collectaholic, he's very supportive of everyone. If somebody happens to watch this video and they don't know him or his channel, I'm going to leave a link in the description. Go check him out. He's a really nice guy. There's an Alex Jackson Future of the Franchise. It's a mini chrome. Pretty cool. Brandon Drury. Mike Poppy. There's Little Poppy as opposed to Big Poppy. All right. So yeah, picked up some Devers cards today. Some more of his rookie cards. I've got most of them at this point. Some of them I have out to be graded. Some of them weren't gradable, and some of them I will be sending out to be graded. Here's an auto, Gareth Morgan. So there's the auto. Don't know that boy, but if anybody knows who this guy is, they can fill me in on that. He was born in 1996. So he's due to be coming around, or not at this point. 23. I'm not familiar with him, so I have a feeling he's not coming around, but still a cool card. That's cool. Hunter Harvey. It's a nice card. Josh Bell. That's a nice card. Not his rookie card. Well, not his first card, but still a nice card. Josh Bell. He's having a good year. I think he's cooled off a little bit, but he's putting up some great numbers this year. Guy's got a lot of power. Good young player. Kind of stepped up his game a lot this year. He was decent last year, but he's really made a big step this year, I think. Michael Kopech, first Bowman. Jake Cosart, Nick Birdie. Okay. So, if I'm missing anything in any of these packs, here's Trey Turner. If anybody sees anything that I missed, let me know in the comments. Of course, I'll go back over these and look them over again. I'm not sure what these are called. I forget what these are called. I'm not sure if they're, I don't know what those are called, but they're pretty nice. Michael Chaves, first Bowman. He's having a good, nice little rookie year. Nice little year this year for his rookie season. Kind of wasn't high expectations for him to start the year, but due to some injuries and some other factors, he's gotten a lot more playing time than was expected, and he's put up some decent numbers for sure. Ryan Ripken, Is that from the famous Ripken family? This is Kyle Schwarber, first Bowman. Chrome. It's a nice card. Schwarber needs to learn how to get his batting average up. The guy struggles to hit 230. Too bad, too, because it seemed like he had a lot of potential, but it just can't get that average up. Nick Williams. Okay. Derek Hill, Derek Fisher, David Dahl. All right. Come on. Still looking for that Devers. Justice Sheffield, first Bowman. Michael Chaves is a Michael Chaves draft card. Cool. Corey Ray. Sam Travis, first Bowman. Raul Mondesi. Remember, his dad was a great player for the Dodgers. I don't think the son is quite as good. I think he came out with a little bit of potential, but he hasn't lived up to it. The dad was a good player. The guy could hit. Trevor Story. Take that one. Alright, guys. Going along best I can here. Delano DeShields. Remember his dad too. Julio Urias, another one of those future of the franchise minis. Chris Bryant. That's cool. Luke Weaver, first Bowman Chrome. I'm not sure who's texting me, but my phone keeps going off. Cody Reed. A lot of these packs have two Chrome cards in them, which is pretty cool. Joey Gallo. So yeah, getting some decent cards here though. I'm down to 5 packs, 6 packs left, including this one. So still got to get that. Still got to get that Devers card. Come on. I already have them, but oh wow, this is a nice looking card. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. It's a hot pack. Sweet. C.J. Edwards, Troy Stokes, Mitch Keller, Alan Hansen, Nick Torres. Oh, these are nice looking cards. Look at those. I don't know any of these guys, but that's okay. Eli Jimenez, first Bowman. That's a nice card. I didn't even mention him in the lookout either. That's a nice one right there. Best card of the pack so far, I think. Best card of the box. Sean Newcomb. That was a nice pack. All chrome cards in there. And those blue ones, I'm not sure what they are. They're not numbered. But they're nice looking cards, that's for sure. There's a Urias. Another Mondesi. Okay. 4 packs left. Stinnett, McGuire, Lewis Brinson, Brandon Nemo, Cole Stewart, Tejan Antone, and Kevin Paolo. Scott Blewett, Alberto Mora, Brandon Drury, Blake Anderson, Tyler Kohler, Ryan Castellani, Kyle Freeland, Gavin LaValle. 2 packs left. Okay. Jake Cosart, Derek Hill, Dominic Smith, Corey Seager. Last pack, guys. Bob Bradley, Sean Coyle, Blake Swihart. I think he's been released. I don't even think he's playing now. All right, that's it. That's what we got. Do a quick. Got all these blues. I'm calling them blues. They're very shiny. Then we've got, I don't know if they're hits, but Sega, Joey Gallo, Luke Weaver Chrome, first Bowman, Chris Bryant Chrome, Leo Urias Mini, Trevor Story, Sam Travis, Michael Chaves Draft Day, Justice Sheffield first Bowman, Kyle Schwarber first Bowman, Michael Chaves first Bowman, Sean Newcomb, that's like those, Trey Turner first Bowman, Michael Kopech first Bowman, Josh Bell Chrome, who was that? Hunter Harvey. Got a Gareth Morgan Auto, Future of the Franchise, Alex Jackson. There's Michael Conforto, Draft Day, Derek Hill, numbered to 199, numbered to 150. Matt Chapman first Bowman, Austin Meadows, Bradley Zimmer, numbered to 399. Jose Berrios, Carlos Correa. That's a nice looking card too. And I think these two are the best two out of the box. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good night.